Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to make the ring holder for the jewelry stand. So if you want to go and grab a piece of polypropylene, which will be in the classroom, what the first step is, you measure it slightly bigger than what you actually need. So if we're doing say a 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter square for your ring holder, maybe make it 6.5 centimeters when you measure it out, or 65 millimeters. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to use some of these, the foam, which is 10 millimeter expanded foam, and then we're going to glue that onto our base. So this base we are then going to glue into the jewelry stand. So what I need you to do first thing, we're going to start gluing down with the hot glue gun. We'll just put down a little bit of glue to start off with, and I'll just put down the first one. And then the second one, we're going to leave a little bit of a space of like 2 millimeters in between each one, because we are going to put some material down in between those. Okay, so just doing it slowly, bit by bit, making sure they're nice and straight so they look presentable when we put our rings in them. So what we need is a little bit of a gap in between each one, like this. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to put some material over the top of this and in the slots. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're going to get some PVA glue. And I'm just going to squirt a little bit of PVA glue across this. Right down on the edges here, like make sure you cover every area. You can just rub it off with your fingers too, like you just rub your hands together and it eventually comes off. So when we start it, I'm just going to start with a little bit of over the front there, and I normally get another card and just put it up there to help me. And then I'm going to push it down into the slot. And then we just go along and put the material in each of the slots there as we go. So we're going to have something like that. And what we're going to do, we'll just get the scissors out and start to cut it down to shape. Making sure all the glue is sticking in there. Once the glue is dried, so just leave it to dry now. And then we come back and actually cut it down to the shape that we need. So I'm going to measure on the back here, a square, let's say it's 50 millimeters by 50 by 50, or 50 by 60. There's our shape here. I might measure it actually from the front, from the edge, sorry. So we'll end up with something like that for your ring holder. We should be able to put our rings in there. Thank you.